My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfad. We have a second lecture on how to find out the derivative of general exponential function. In my first lecture, we have discussed how to find out the derivative of general exponential function, and we have explained what is the general exponential function. We have to use a very important strategy here to find out the derivative of general exponential function. Here we have a question: y is equals to ln x power sin x. We have discussed in my first lecture, power, it is in the form of the function. Those are called general exponential function. So what strategy we have to use here? In general exponential function, we have to take out ln on both sides. So taking ln on both sides. We have to take out ln on both sides. So we have a property of ln that the function become the coefficient of the function here. So this is sin x into ln of ln x here. What is the property of ln? The function power become the coefficient of the function. They'll multiply with this. So now we have to differentiate with respect to x. So apply the operator d upon dx on both sides. Sin x into ln of ln x. So the derivative of ln y, it is 1 upon y, because the derivative of ln x, we have discussed this one. The derivative of ln x, we have a formula, is 1 upon x. So the derivative of ln y will be 1 upon y, and then we have to find out the derivative of y. And here we have two functions are in product form. So here we have to apply the product rule, that is derivative of u into v, u as it is, derivative of v, v as it is, derivative of u. When two functions are in product form, then we have to use the product rule there. So here u means the sin x and the v means ln of ln x. So here two functions. The one function is sin x and the another one is ln of ln x. So here we have to apply the product rule. U as it is, derivative of v, v as it is, derivative of u, that is sin x. So here the derivative of y is dy upon dx. So here sin x, yes, this is ln of ln x. So the derivative of ln will be equals to 1 upon of this, because we have the formula. So the derivative of ln x will be equals to 1 upon ln x. And then we have to find out the further derivative of ln x. So the derivative of this ln x will be 1 upon x. So please, I'm going to repeat this point here again. This is ln of ln x. So the derivative of this ln will be the 1 upon ln x. And the derivative of ln x, it is 1 upon x. So this is remains same. The derivative of sin x, we have a formula, is cos x. So we have to shift this y to the right hand side. So this is sin x divided by x into ln x plus cos x into ln of ln x into y. So we have to put the value of y, that is equals to ln x power sin x. So just we have to put the value of y here. So this is dy upon dx. This is dy upon dx. It is equals to sin x over ln x plus cos x into ln of ln x, and just we have to put the value of y, that is equals to the question, that is ln of ln x power sin x. So this is the derivative of general exponential function ln x power sin x. Thank you so much, boys. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Maths with Yasir Irfan. Allah Hafiz.